Hello, I'm Jamie. Welcome to Fridge Cam. Today is going to be really good fun because we've bought our two mates, two classically trained professional chefs, this book. We're about to reveal it to them now and ask them to cook a couple of dishes from the book. And we have no idea how they're going to react.
Hey guys, today's going to be a good day. Cheers.
Cheers.
Please lift the cloche.
Take it away, James. Oh yeah, really carefully because we can reuse that.
I can't wait for this.
If it's not a cookbook, I don't know what we're doing here.
Hooray! It's Snoop Dogg's cookbook.
I've been wanting this.
Have you?
No.
Are we making brownies?
From crook to cook, platinum recipes from the boss Dogg's kitchen.
This is what we want.
Oh, it's got everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, drinks, parties.
So chefs, your challenge today is to cook two of the recipes from the book.
Page 69.
Dig this. We make spaghetti and meatballs a little different in the hood. Some of y'all like to prepare the pasta, carefully pour over the sauce and craft a few huge meatballs to throw on top. We ain't got no time for that.
And page 109.
Everybody knows that my man Burner got the best cookies in the land. The cookies he's slanging are for smoking, not for eating. If you're looking for more of a chocolate chip, peanut butter kind of thing, this recipe will leave you highly satisfied.
What would Snoop be drinking?
It tastes like pineapple.
Ben, it's the only thing you and Snoop Dogg have in common is you both love
country walks.
gin and juice.
Oh man, this is gonna be brilliant.
I'll grind the meat and then you can mix the spices.
First up, we are grinding our own sirloin steaks and combining them with breadcrumbs and parsley and parmesan and seasoning and an egg. It's a very clear recipe. And then we're making them into ping pong sized balls.
You go upstairs and get his outfit.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got some other things as well to give him.
All right. James, why would Ben have a clock?
Because
he's a chef as well.
It's Snoop Dogg time. No?
No.
Flavor Flav.
Flavor Flav, yeah, I know that. But like, why can't you just pick someone like Taylor Swift? Like, we'd have had fun with that.
We know that old Snoopity Snoop is like the guy when it comes to...
Ben, please don't ad-lib.
Snoopity Snoop.
Okay, instruction number 2. We're going to need a few more translations.
God, have we not gone past 2?
Place a large Dutch oven over a medium heat.
Yep. This is bizarre. He's
draining the nice
fat
natural fat
and then
adding
fat. Snoopy Snoop Snoop. Chopped onion, chopped garlic. Got it.
Ben walks as well now, he's got a little swagger to him.
He's got a little limp, hasn't he?
Yeah,
a little limp.
You just drop a shoulder, don't you? But it's nothing to do with that. It's just the fact that I really hurt my knee.
So guys, what we have got are a series of hip-hop songs with associated lyrics, and what we'd like you to do,
Oh, this is ridiculous.
if we start the lyric, we'd like you to finish it.
Oh, it's like poetry.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma.
Drop it like it's hot.
Yeah!
That's the winning start.
Yeah.
And is the pan hot yet?
Talking about it, I'm going to drop these while they're almost hot.
When the pigs try to get at you.
Turn them into bacon. Oh, pigs is in police.
Yes.
Right.
Ah.
La da 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 da.
That wasn't quite right.
Well, no, I've accentuated it.
Have you?
Yeah. La da 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 da.
You've made it too musical.
Oh, I don't know.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Da da.
Right.
La da 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 da.
La da 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 da. It's DOGG.
Dog! Big chunky meatballs in the pan, and we've ground our own sirloin. It's got some herbs in it, it's got some cheese in it, breadcrumbs to bind, and they're kind of dry frying for 7 or 8 minutes. So far so good. Now, a combination of not adding any fat to the pan and lots of breadcrumbs means the breadcrumbs are soaking up the fat, it's not actually coming out into the pan. That might maintain a very, very juicy meatball.
They do look nice.
Well, what's going on with the cookies? When are they going to be ready?
We're struggling enough with one process at a time.
I can't multitasking. It's only my profession.
Snoop Dogg's recipes are too complicated for 2 chefs to do.
In a small bowl, stir together baking soda and salt. Combine the butter, peanut butter, brown sugar and granulated sugar.
Vanilla, egg,
Watch out down the back. Man, don't you be coming around my neighborhood.
done the cookies, halfway through the meatballs. This is good.
Snacking on pasta. Is that not normal? Are the recipes so far what you expected from Snoop Doggy Dogg?
They're better than I thought they would be.
Meatballs, out. Decent amount of garlic, in with some onion. Saute it 4 to 5 minutes. Onions are soft, so in goes tomatoes, bay, sugar. I like the way he's adding in flavours early on and they kind of mellow out. Often tomatoes, a little bit of sugar in it, helps bring a sauce together. Simmer it away for 30 minutes, then the tomato paste goes in, add the meatballs back in, coloured, not cooked through, another 30 minutes with the lid on until you have it. And in that second 30 minutes, of course, spaghetti time. Do you think it's the kind of thing where there's just a catalogue?
Cookies.
Cookies!
Ta-da!
Oh, nice.
This book is bought for people as a gift, for a laugh.
Yes.
I love the backstories he gives to them. Back in the day, my man Puff Daddy would send his people all around New York City to find him that perfect cheesecake. My cheesecake is bomb enough to make Puff hop that private jet from the Big Apple to the LBC.
My favourite bit of that entire thing was Ben's glasses slipping down his nose halfway through and having to correct himself.
We have followed the recipes exactly. Now we need to taste test them.
It's just so incredible. Gotta have it. Can't let it go. If you don't try, you'll never know that this is incredible. 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 Incredible.
Boys, we've cooped you up a snoopity deal.
Come on, Spaffity Dog.
Oh, Spaff Dog.
No, that's not a thing.
Spaff Dog could be my name.
Dig in, see what you think.
They are some seriously hefty balls. Cheers.
They're a little bit bready.
They're almost like a meatloaf. They're almost like meatloaf balls.
I kind of like the texture.
Good sauce though.
I really like the sauce. Using ground up sirloin steak for meatballs is great.
It actually tastes quite like steaky.
Yeah.
Which is a really weird way of putting it, but it tastes like proper steak beef.
I'm not getting smacked in the face with Flavor Flav.
It's a decent garlicky tomato sauce. I think it's just lacking a bit of zing or something.
It's subjective though, isn't it? Like a tomato sauce is quite subjective. Like I like to blitz mine until it's smooth so that all the onions and the garlic are kind of like all incorporated. Maybe a little bit of herbage.
PB cookies though.
Rolls Royce.
The Rolls Royce of the cookie world. It was kind of one of those recipes I didn't trust because we took it out and it wasn't quite cooked in the middle. And I think if you were going on instinct, you put it back in. But actually when you let it cool, it is cooked, it's just really soft, and that's the peanut butter that makes it proper unctuous.
Great texture.
It's got a crunch, but yeah, it's soft in the middle.
Yeah, good amount of chocolate. I'm getting peanut butter. It's a good basic cookie recipe. There's nothing wrong with it.
All in all, good, reliable, classic recipes with a lot of character.
The recipes were solid. What I'd really like to see is Snoop Doggy Dogg coming here and cooking for me or for us.
That would be good.
More importantly, what would you guys like to see? Are there any more cookbooks out there we should be giving a once over?
He means cook.
Yeah. You're actually sticking with it, aren't you?
Yep, why not? If you enjoyed James and I trying out some of those recipes, then give the video a like, and if there's loads of likes, then maybe we'll do some more.
So now you're all clued up on Snoop Dogg and street lingo. If I was to say to you it's time for Dizzle Jizzle of the Whizzle, would you know what I meant? How did the Burger King get the Dairy Queen pregnant?
I don't know.
He forgot to wrap his Whopper.
No! Not appropriate.
As we mentioned, Sorted is just run by a group of friends. So if you like what we're doing, then there are loads of ways that you can support us and get more involved. Everything you need to know is linked below. Thanks, and we hope to see you again in a few days.
My milkshake brings the boys to the yard, and they're like,
It's absolutely delicious.